Hello, I am going to show you how to get into our specials class, even for those of you who are in Google Classroom for the majority of the time. So first, for everyone, you need to make sure you are signing in through Launchpad. To sign in through Launchpad, you need to use your student email and ID. So for right now, I'm actually going to use my daughter's. And ID is the password. Once you are logged into Launchpad, you are automatically signed in to Google Classroom and Seesaw. You will go to Google Classroom, open it up, especially for those of you who are in 3rd through 5th grade. You have to go through this no matter what. Then go back to the Launchpad, go to Elementary Resources, and open up your Seesaw. For both of these things, you are automatically signed in. As you can see, she is signed in. Because she's in kindergarten, you are not going to see any classes because they are not using Google Classroom. On Seesaw, when you come to the left-hand side, you will see your homeroom teacher, music, PE, and your STEAM folder. When you go to music, you will find our class link for Seesaw under the activities. So you will open up activities. Usually you will see add response, a green button right here. You will click on that, and your first page of the assignment is going to be our Zoom link. You will hover over here and you will click on this and it will take you to your Zoom. Coach Jay also has a page like this under his. So you will go over to PE on your PE days, look at activities, and find his assignments. When you're ready to do his assignment, press add response. On this one, you would press add response and it would take you to y'all's PE Zoom. Hope this helps.